Hey everyone, on today's video I'm going to be trying out the new trend pancake cereal. This has been popping up all over my TikTok and Instagram feeds, so I thought I would try this out for myself and see how it goes. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow my Instagram account as well, which will be linked in the description box below. So you can really use any pancake recipe for this, whether it is pre-made pancake mix or your go-to pancake recipe, it's really up to you. I'm going to be using the pancake recipe that I normally use, and I will link it in the description box below. Essentially, all you want to do is combine the wet ingredients in a large bowl first before mixing together the flour, baking powder, and sugar. After this, you can transfer your dry ingredients to your wet ingredients and mix it together until you get a smooth batter. To pipe the pancake batter in your pan, you can use a piping bag with a round tip, or you can make your own by placing it into a Ziploc bag and just cutting the tip at the edge. Then set your pan on low heat and add some butter and begin piping small circles. As you can clearly see, my first attempt was honestly a complete failure. They were way too big and I found it kind of hard to control the way the batter was coming out. So my first few tries were honestly quite bad. But after you practice a bit more, it does get easier, and I would say a tip to note is that make sure your pancake batter is slightly on the thicker side. That way it'll be easier to shape the pancakes without having your batter drip everywhere. Honestly, I would say this is somewhat of a failed attempt at making the really evenly shaped circles as you can see on TikTok and Instagram. But as I mentioned earlier, it really does come down to the consistency of your pancake batter, so just keep this in mind. Anyways, once they're done cooking on each side for about 1 minute or until it is golden brown, you can transfer them into a bowl, top with some butter and maple syrup and any other toppings of your choice. These were definitely really fun to make and eat, but again, it is quite time consuming, but I would totally try it out if you're just looking for something fun and interesting to do. So that's it for today's video. If you liked it, don't forget to subscribe and also leave a comment below if you have any video requests, and I will see you guys next time.